Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to find out if someone has blocked or unfriended you on Snapchat. So let's dive in. First thing you want to do is to go ahead and open your Snapchat. And if you want to find out if someone has blocked you, all you have to do is to click on their text or their snap. I'm just going to look for a text or a snap, a random one, and I'm going to use this one. So what you want to do next is to click on the profile, and if you cannot see their snap score, then it means that you have been blocked on Snapchat. If you cannot see the snap score, it means that you have been blocked. And you could just go ahead and check your friends. All you have to do is to click on the profile, and if you realize that you cannot see any snap score, it means that you have been either blocked or unfriended. I could just go ahead and accept new requests, and I could check for the snap scores. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more content like this.